Alright, wow, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alright, uh, I'm not glad none today because almost 2 months I didn't join with this club. When I got spoke, English, I got stuck every single day. But talking about stuck, inshallah I never get stuck. You know that because not only by that, but also making film or videos. You know what? I always speak, English, Spanish, and Spanish every single day when I make content. Alright, I would like to share, my topic today, talking about achievement this year, 2022. This year increased like last year. Focus for learning like Spanish, increase from the language, and then looking for many friends abroad. Some Esperanto friends, Spanish friends there. Now I start learning France, because I got a lot of Esperanto friends in Africa. That those people speak France. That's because I would like to start learning French. That little by little. But those people can't speak English, so we are not for exchange. Language exchange. I want to teach there. To teach them or those people English. Those people want to teach me about France. But little by little, but I got English French books, and then Spanish books, and then Esperanto books, but many books, I downloaded in Google, and then I started this year, and then 2023, I myself going abroad. I promised myself until now I want to get married first before I go abroad. This is my dream. For what you learn many languages, many accent, United States, United Kingdom, Australia, Redneck accent, so what for? You never get bored, never get bored like United States or Australia or Asia exactly, But this year, inshallah, in September 2022 this year, I want to join with Esperanto Netherlands. I will see you there in Amsterdam. I'm saving my money little by little every single day. That I focus forward, looking for a friend in Amsterdam. That Netherlands, Esperanto Netherlands. I will see you there in September. Just pray for me. I will go there, and then I would like to give or making a content there in Esperanto, in bahasa Aceh, and then bahasa, and then English, or Spanish.